Hello students, in this video I am going to explain baking soda, okay, which is one of the important salts. Now try to understand what is baking soda. Baking soda general formula is what, children? Chemical formula NaHCO3. It is read as sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so see, try to understand baking soda. Baking soda is another important product which can be obtained using byproduct of chloralkali process. Okay, chloralkali process, children, whenever H2O is passed, when you do the electrolysis of NaCl, okay, so NaCl plus H2O, this electrolysis is called as chloralkali process. In this process, generally, what is produced, children? Okay, NaOH plus H2 plus Cl2. Okay, so we can see the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, or sodium bicarbonate. Bread soda, cooking soda, bicarbonate of soda, sodium bicarb of soda, or simply bicarb, etc. are the other names of baking soda. You should know these are other names of baking soda, children. See here, preparation method. Baking soda is obtained by reaction of a brine with carbon dioxide and ammonia. You see NaCl, sodium chloride plus H2O. This is called as brine. Spelling you can see Brine plus CO2 plus NH3. What is the product you see, children? NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride plus NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Yes or no? Now you can see what are the properties of baking soda. Okay, in this process, okay, calcium carbonate is used as a source of CO2. Okay, CO2 source water, calcium carbonate, and resultant calcium oxide is used to recover the ammonia from ammonium chloride. At this point, you should note, children. Now, let's talk about the properties of baking soda. When we talk about the properties of baking soda, children, see here. First property, sodium bicarbonate is a white crystalline solid, but it appears as a fine powder. Is it clear? Second one, sodium hydrogen carbonate is a amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric in the sense it behaves as acidic as well as basic. Next, sodium hydrogen carbonate is sparingly soluble in water, children. Okay. Next, so thermal decomposition of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, what it will give you? When baking soda is heated, it decomposes into sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide, and water. You can see here, children, 2NaHCO3 plus heat gives you Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Next, children, sodium carbonate formed after thermal decomposition of sodium hydrogen carbonate decomposes into sodium oxide. Further, you can decompose, children, sodium carbonate. Once you hit sodium carbonate, it gives you Na2O plus CO2. This reaction is known as dehydration reaction. Is it clear? Next, let's talk about the uses of baking soda, children. Okay, there are 4 uses you can see. First one, baking soda is used in making of baking powder, which is used in cooking as it produces carbon dioxide, which makes the batter soft and spongy. So generally it is used in bakeries to make the fluffy cakes. Okay, next, baking soda is used as a antacids. Antacids are the medicines which are used to remove the acidity. Next, baking soda is used in toothpaste, which makes the teeth white and plaque free. Okay, so as you know that when you eat, children, so acidity is produced in the mouth. Okay, when the pH of mouth goes below 5.5, then tooth decay may happen. So that's why we are using the toothpaste, which is basic in nature and which mainly contains baking soda. Okay, next, baking soda is used in cleaning of ornaments made up of silver. So one more use you can tell, children, that it is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Okay, it is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Okay, let's practice once, children, the equation. Let's practice once, baking soda, preparation of baking soda, preparation of baking soda. We are taking what, children? First one, NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3. These are the four reactants we are using, children. Then see NH3 plus 1H will form NH4 plus Cl will form NH4Cl, first product, NH4Cl. Plus remaining you can see sodium, one hydrogen from here, and CO2 and one O will form NaHCO3. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is only baking soda. Baking soda. Or we can say sodium hydrogen carbonate. So the chemical name is what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay. Now in shorts you can see the uses. Uses. First one, it is used in baking powder. Used to make baking powder. Yes or no? What is baking powder? Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda plus mild edible acid, such as tartaric acid. So formula you can write NaHCO3 plus H plus. You can write H plus from any mild edible acid like tartaric acid. Also, it is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Soda soda acid fire extinguisher. It is also used as antacids. Antacids are medicines which are used to remove the medicines, which is used to reduce the acidity, to reduce acidity, children. To reduce acidity. Okay, so remember this much. Okay, I hope you understood this concept, children. If you understood, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.